Welcome or welcome back to the Perrin Family USA. My name is Nancy, and on this channel, we share glimpses into our everyday life in our day in the life vlogs. We also share bits and pieces of our homeschool journey, as well as inspiration and encouragement for all of you. So let's get into today's video. First and foremost, I do want to thank you for clicking on this video, and I want to thank all of our continued supporters, our continued subscribers. Thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. If you're not currently subscribed to our channel, we want to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. It is free. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button. Please go ahead and thumbs up this video. It helps to get our videos out into the YouTube algorithm. And so let's jump right into today's topic. Disclaimer, I am not a healthcare professional. I am not your doctor, and I am not treating you in any way. I'm not giving you medical advice. I'm not giving you any medication advice, any diagnosis, or anything like that. Today's video is about inspiring you to take care of yourself. I'm just here as your friend to encourage you to speak up for yourself. Welcome in, Nahar Lifestyle. Thank you so much for being in the chat today. Thank you, everyone who is listening in the background, anyone who is coming in on the replay. Thank you so much for being here. So today we're talking about speaking up for yourself, being your own healthcare advocate. So many times, and I'm going to be speaking more to the women because I know that that's more of our subscriber base, but also men, this message applies to you as well. Many times we are putting ourselves on the back burner, so to speak. We're taking care of everyone else, but we neglect to take care of ourselves. So that could be, in many areas, many aspects of our life, whether it be financially, whether it be, just taking a little time out for yourself. And also it affects our health. So today we're just going to be speaking on the health side of that. Many times, we neglect to get wellness checkups, especially we women. We put everyone else, our husband, our children, grandchildren, whoever, ahead of ourselves, and we don't go get those wellness checks. We don't go get pap smears. We don't go get mammograms. We don't follow the doctor's advice for ourselves, but we're taking care of everyone else. So I want to remind you today that you can't take care of anyone else unless you're taking care of yourself. You cannot take care of anyone else unless you're taking care of yourself. So you need to put yourself first. You need to set aside time for yourself each and every day. When you feel like something is off in your body, please speak up for yourself. There are so many great healthcare professionals out there, so many great doctors and nurses and CNAs out there who really care about our fellow humans, right? But who knows your body better than you yourself? Who knows you better than you? That's the point that I want to get across to you today. Whether you have a great doctor or not, they can only do so much. Your nurse can only do so much. They look for specific signs in your health to determine whether or not everything is okay. But you have been living in this body all of your life. You know when something is off. You know when something doesn't feel right. When something just doesn't seem right. You know. So you need to speak up for yourself. Tell your doctor if something just isn't adding up, if something just doesn't make sense to you. Perhaps you've been dealing with a certain medical condition for a while, but your symptoms have now worsened, or they have changed in some form or fashion. Speak up. Let your doctor know that, hey, last year I wasn't feeling like this. A week ago I wasn't feeling like this. Something has changed in my body. I need to be reevaluated. I need you to check so-and-so test. I need you to go back and see about this. I want a CT scan. I want an MRI. I need a mammogram. Speak up for yourself. Investigate what your options are. Get a second opinion if you need to. If your doctor is not listening to you, find another one who will. If your treatment doesn't seem fair, if whatever medication you have been prescribed is not working for you, tell your doctor. There is no one and done or one size fits all when it comes to healthcare. Everybody is uniquely made. Everybody is different. Speak up for yourself. Let your healthcare professional know when something just isn't working anymore. Perhaps the medication that you're taking has helped for the last 5 years, but for some reason this year it's just not. Sometimes your body can get used to a certain medication and it no longer works out for you anymore. So speak up for yourself. If there needs to be a change, if you need extra help, if you need a caregiver, speak up. Let your doctor know. And like I said before, if they don't listen to you with whatever it is that's going on, find a different doctor who will listen to you. You may have to go through 2, 3, 4, 5 different physicians to get the answers that you need for your life. But do it. Take time out for you, because no one else is going to take care of you if you don't take care of yourself. No one is going to speak up for you if you don't speak up for yourself. We have to learn to speak up. We have to learn to tell what's going on. There's so much stigma when it comes to healthcare. There's so much stigma, especially with women's health. And this may be, not the right video for some of you, but with women's healthcare, we are told that our periods are normal no matter what symptoms we may be having. We're told to just deal with it. We're told to take Advil, take Tylenol. We're told to exercise. We're told to eat right. All of those things are fine, but what if it's just not working anymore? What if, even though I'm doing everything that you're telling me to do, I'm still in pain? I'm still bleeding more than what is normal for me. Maybe your periods are lasting longer days. Maybe they have shortened in length. Maybe you don't even have one anymore. Speak up. Speak up. Make sure your voice is being heard. Because if you're voicing your concerns and your voice is not being heard, then what good is it doing to keep on and on with the same doctor? Move on. Find another doctor. Even if, you believe that your treatment is fair, it doesn't hurt to get a second opinion. It doesn't hurt to go to a larger city, find a bigger hospital with more doctors, and find one that you feel is better educated. It doesn't hurt to get re-examined. It doesn't hurt to go to a specialist. It doesn't hurt anything. Because if everything is right in the first place, then you get that reassurance that everything is going well and you can feel better about your treatment plan. But then if something is off and there is a difference in opinions, then you can get a third opinion and see what's really going on. Speak up for yourself. Advocate for your health. You are worth it. You are important. We need you here. You are needed. Your children need you. Your husband needs you. Your friends need you. But you have to speak up. You have to let someone know when something is off. You have to let someone know when you just don't feel right anymore. Speak up for your mental health. Speak up for your emotional health. That's part of your physical health too. Speak up when you're having pain. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to ask questions. When you go to the doctor's office and you're seeking answers, have questions written down and bring your notebook and your pen with you. That way, during your visit, if other questions arise in your mind, you can write them down on paper and you can address your doctor in the moment and ask them in the moment, or your nurse or other healthcare professional, and let them know, hey, I need to know about this. I need to know about that. Okay, so what do I do about this? What do I do about that? What is our plan? What if this continues to happen? And keep that notepad. Keep that notepad. Because when you get home or on the ride back to the house, a lot of times there's other questions that come to mind that you didn't really think of in the clinic. So you can add to your list of questions and put a check mark or a star or something beside the questions that have already been answered, so you know that you have the answers, and write those answers down. When you find an answer to a question, write the answer down and put the date on it and put the person's name that gave you that information. That way you can go back. If you get a second opinion or a third or fourth opinion, then you can listen to what they say and you can say, well, Dr. So-and-so or nurse so-and-so told me blah, blah, blah. And then they can tell you, well, okay, I have a difference of an opinion, or no, that is medically incorrect, or whatever the case may be. Or yes, I'm on the same page with Dr. So-and-so. Yes, I believe that as well. But in addition to that, blah, blah, blah. Write it down so you know what each medical professional has told you about your situation. Write it down. That way you can have it organized. And when you go to each specialist, you can add information there. And then you can look at it as a whole and understand your treatment plan or understand your condition better. These are some tips that has helped me along my health journey. I hope that they have been beneficial to you as well. Please, if you don't take anything else from this message, speak up for yourself. Be your own healthcare advocate, whatever that may mean to you. You need to be well. You deserve to be well. You don't deserve to be sick. You don't deserve to be lost and confused and in the dark about your treatment plan. You deserve to be in the know. And you deserve to feel okay. You deserve to feel okay. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Thank you so much for everyone that is in the background, everyone on the replay. Thank you for your support. Please share this out because it's an important message to women across the world and men as well. Don't let your health get neglected because you're not involved. Share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.